for my garage door, I take that poly shield sheathing slash underlayment or whatever. It's foam on one side and aluminum on the other. If you live in an exceptionally cold or hot area, one thing that you're definitely going to want to do is insulate your aluminum garage doors. I insulated mine with a foil-backed foam sheathing, which is available at local home improvement stores, very reasonably priced. I was able to install 2 layers in both my garage doors, which are standard 8x7 doors, as in feet, and it cost me about $80. Let me show you how. This is the 3/4 inch variety. You can of course use whatever thickness you choose. Alright. Measure, alright, clearly the side dimensions of your garage door. In other words, how thick it is. Alright, that way. Once you know how thick it is, then of course you can figure out how many of these panels you can put in there. 2 3/4 inch panels is fine. I wanted to take a quick moment and explain how this double layer insulation helps your home stay cooler. The foil layer reflects heat back outside, so that's one level of radiant heat. So sun hits the aluminum garage door metal heats up, and then the foil layer reflects it back outside rather than allowing it to come in. Since the foil layer is metal as well, then you could also of course radiate heat. That's where the foam layer comes in. So the foam layer prevents the metal from radiating heat also inside your house. Now the last thing, the foam also reduces the surface area of the hot metal that is allowed to radiate heat. So you go from a 7-foot tall piece of hot metal to approximately 16 inches, which is significantly better. When you're measuring your garage door, chances are they will not be two equal or symmetrical widths. This is because the center support beam is open on one side and closed on the other. So make sure that you're paying attention when you measure. So what I'm going to do right now is show you how to put this in there. The first thing you're going to want to do is go on and take the side, just take a corner, put it in there, and slide it on over. Alright, it's really a two-hand job. What you'll do next is you'll bend it and tuck it in. So this is going to be tough to do one-handed. Notice the bending. Again, it can bend, don't worry. Probably will have to vacuum after this, but notice the bowing is fine to bow it in. You can put one hand on the inside of it, bend it from the inside, tuck it in down there, you can push it in. See? And there you go. That's all. Just do that for all the rest of it. As always, thank you for watching the Variety Tube channel. Peace, blessings, and energy savings to you and yours.